Glaciers. A glacier is a persistent body of dense ice that is constantly moving downhill under its own weight. A glacier is an accumulation of ice and snow that slowly flows over land. Glaciers are more than just frozen rivers. They are always changing. They are huge, slow-moving masses of ice, moving bit by bit. Glaciers form over hundreds of years as snow piles up and turns into thick ice. These ice giants are found all over the world, from the poles to mountains near the equator. They grow and shrink with the seasons and over time, moving forward and backward. Glaciers are important for our planet's climate and water cycle, affecting weather and sea levels. They are also very beautiful, with stunning landscapes and ice formations. High in the mountains, where snow falls more often than it melts, a glacier begins to form. Year after year, the snow piles up, layer upon layer, creating a thick blanket of snow that covers the mountain slopes. The weight of the new snow compresses the layers below, turning the fluffy snow into a more compact form. This compression forces the snow to recrystallize, changing its structure and making it denser and more solid. Tiny air pockets are squeezed out, reducing the amount of air trapped within the ice. The snow transforms into a denser form of ice called firn, which is an intermediate stage between snow and glacial ice. As more snow accumulates, the firn is buried deeper. The pressure increases, causing the firn to become even more compact. Eventually, the firn transforms into glacial ice, which is much denser and harder than the original snow. Not all glaciers are the same. They are as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit. They come in different shapes and sizes, depending on where they form and how they flow. Some are small and delicate, while others are massive and imposing. Valley glaciers, also known as Alpine glaciers, are found in mountainous regions, where they nestle between peaks. They flow down valleys, carving out the landscape as they go, creating dramatic scenery. Imagine a giant ice sculptor slowly shaping the mountains over millennia, leaving behind a legacy of natural art. Continental glaciers, also known as ice sheets, are much larger and more expansive. They cover vast areas of land, like Greenland and Antarctica, stretching for thousands of miles. These massive ice sheets are so heavy they depress the Earth's crust, altering the planet's surface. Tidewater glaciers flow into the sea, where they can calve off massive icebergs, creating floating ice mountains. Ice caps are smaller than ice sheets, but still cover large areas, often found in polar and subpolar regions. Piedmont glaciers spread out at the foot of mountains, like icy fans, creating unique and beautiful formations. Section 4. Shaping Our World. Glaciers are powerful agents of change. They have shaped our planet for millions of years. As glaciers move, they erode rock, carving out valleys and fjords. The debris that glaciers pick up as they move is called glacial till. This till is a mixture of rocks, sand, and clay. Glaciers deposit this till as they melt, creating unique landforms like moraines and eskers. Glaciers also play a vital role in the water cycle. They store vast amounts of fresh water. During warm periods, glacial meltwater feeds rivers and streams. This water is essential for ecosystems and human communities downstream. Section 5. Frozen Treasures. Glaciers are like reservoirs of fresh water. They store about 69% of the world's fresh water. Scientists drill down into glaciers to study these frozen reserves. The ice cores reveal the purity and age of the water. By analyzing these ice cores, we can understand the history of Earth's water resources. This information is crucial for predicting future water availability. Glaciers provide fresh water to millions of people and ecosystems. They are vital for agriculture, drinking water, and hydroelectric power. Protecting glaciers is essential for maintaining these valuable resources. Section 6. The Great Melt. Our planet is warming, and glaciers are feeling the heat. As global temperatures rise, glaciers are melting at an alarming rate. This melting has significant consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. Sea levels are rising as glaciers melt, threatening coastal communities. Melting glaciers also contribute to changes in water availability downstream. This can impact agriculture, drinking water supplies, and ecosystems. They are also popular tourist destinations, attracting visitors from around the world. Section 7. Guardians of the Ice. The future of glaciers is in our hands. To preserve these majestic ice formations, we must reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. By conserving energy, driving less, and choosing sustainable products, we can lower our carbon footprint. Educating others about the significance of glaciers can inspire collective action. Let's unite to ensure glaciers' preservation for future generations. If you enjoyed learning about these icy marvels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on nature and the environment.